and in the presence of this assembly, to pass my life in purity and to practice my profession faithfully. I will abstain from whatever is deleterious and mischievous, and will not take any harmful drug. I will do all in my power and elevate the standards of my profession, and will hold in confidence all personal matter committed to my keeping, and all family affairs coming to my knowledge, in the presence of my calling. With loyalty will I endeavor to aid the physician in his work and devote myself to the welfare of those committed to my care. Followed by